everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is an easy, slow cooker chuck roast. Beef. So this one is low and slow. We put it on low and cooked it all day long, like 8 to 10 hours. But you have other options. You can put it on high and do it a little bit quicker, but it's so much better and tender if you do it on low. So my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But if you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everybody. Happy Monday. It's time for the Monday meal. This is an easy crock pot chuck roast, and I'll put a link in the description box below to the recipe for it. But let me show you what we've got in here. Let me first turn in our slow cooker. Turn it on. All right, so we've got it on low. We're gonna do 8 to 10 hours on low. You can also do high, 5 to 6, or 5 to 6. But I am doing low because they said it actually cooks better and tastes better. So we have got our crock pot Angus roast here in there. It's about 2 1/4 pounds or so, the one we have. The recipe calls for a 3-pound one, so close enough. And then onions on the bottom, so I'm using frozen diced onions, and then it said like carrots and stuff, but we don't do carrots with keto. They're high in carbs. So we're doing broccoli cuts on the bottom as well. And so I put those in there, you can see them, and you spray the lining of your slow cooker first. Then you put the roast on top, and I have seasoned one side, I gotta season the other. Before you pour a cup of beef broth. I didn't have beef, but I have chicken bone broth, so that's what we're gonna pour over it. But we need to put the rest of our seasoning. So today we are using Miller's Gourmet Steak Seasoning. I love this stuff. They make it in Texas. It's pretty good. So that's going on the other side. And then the other seasoning we're using is Italian seasoning. They also used gravy mix. I usually don't use that because it is gluten. And then they use a ranch seasoning mix. So really just whatever seasoning you want to use. A lot of the recipes I looked up used some sort of steak seasoning or something like that, or just salt, pepper, garlic, that kind of thing. So that's why I chose these two together. And then we're going to take our cup of broth and pour it over the top on all the veggies. Woo, woo, everybody get in the bath. All right, so those are in there. Everything's in there. We're gonna put our lid on, and it's gonna cook for 8 to 10 hours, and then I will show you the finished product. All right, so about 30 minutes before it's done, which mine has been in there about, I wanna say 8 hours. Let's say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, about 8 hours now, so it's 8 to 10 hours on high. Made a little slurry to put in there to thicken up the liquid so we can have a little gravy in there. I used Carnivore Crisps grass-fed beef flour and some cold water. So that is what I'm using. I'm just gonna pour it into the liquid portion here. And then mix it up a little bit because it said do it 30 minutes before your roast should be done. Our chuck roast here, so stirring that in. Looks like all the vegetables are done. It has definitely shrunk. It's amazing how that happens. All right, so that is in there. I'm gonna put the lid back on until it is done. All right, everybody, our meal's done. Let's see, I started at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's been 10 hours now. But at 8 hours, I put in what you saw, that little slurry, the carnivore flour, and then cold water, and mixed it in there. So this is what it looks like now, and this is our temperature. It was up to 206, now it's 204, but you want it to be anywhere between 195 and 205 for a roast that's done, a beef roast that's done in the slow cooker. So it is good to go. And turn it on warm now. So basically, it should just come apart, and yep, it does. Look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy. Looks yummy. Okay, enjoy. Happy Monday.